Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to use Microsoft PowerPoint on a Mac computer. Tutorial 21, adding a comment to a slide. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to the desktop application Microsoft PowerPoint. We're going to start the tutorial. Let's now go all the way down to the dock. Go to Finder, navigate to the OneDrive folder, locate the PowerPoint presentation file, work.pptx. Let's just double click on this. Wait for that to load. In the meantime, let's now minimize Finder for the moment. And now the purpose of this tutorial is to add a comment to any of the slides. So let's go to, let's say, slide 1. Let's then go to review within the menu bar. Now click on new comment. And then we are able to add some comments and describe what is happening in the PowerPoint presentation. So I'll just say title, image, and name. This is very similar to notes. However, when it comes to adding comments, this will always be on the right hand side of the page. So what we can do is, if we click on that send button, we have the comment added to the right top corner of the screen. If I were to double click on this, we can see the comment reappear on the right hand side of the slide. So we can now quit PowerPoint. And so that's for this video. I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science videos from the start until now.